friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI mid-tower gaming PC. So friend, MSI has unveiled the MHE Meta 5 EDQ 1298 mid-tower gaming desktop PC with water cooling and friend a cooling and airflow oriented PC that can sustain consistent performance even while gaming for extended periods of time. And friend, it includes a replacement glass panel and may be customized to your liking with MSI logo on the bottom left of the front panel. And friend, furthermore, the mystic light is installed on the front and you can customize the RGB LED lights emission pattern and hue. And friend, the motherboard is AMD B550 and graphics card included an AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT, and it also has DDR4 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD, NVMe M.2, 750W power supply unit and network that includes Realtek RTL8111H Gigabit LAN, Intel Wireless AC3168 and Bluetooth 4.2, DisplayPort 1.4x3 and HDMI 2.1x1 and USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-Cx1, USB 2.0 Type-A*2 microphone into one, headphones into one, and so compromise on the interface. And friend, the operating system includes Windows 11 Home and it will be available for purchase on 28th July and the price is unknown at this time. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.